Everyone, Stephanie here. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing my new digital printables for my current African Junk Art Journal class that is in my Patreon. Okay. So, this is the journal that we're making over there. All right. Beautiful journal. Part one is up already. By the time some of you see this video, there'll be multiple parts to the video. So, there's lots of hours of content that is on my Patreon. And this is for these digitals are for the month of February. They go with creating the journal and working in the journal and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is a 10-page pack that is free and a part of your membership at the $15 level and higher when you join my Patreon page. Okay, the link will be down in the description. Okay, so these are gorgeous. These are African mud cloths. They're absolutely beautiful, and this is a 10-pack. Again, it comes as a download, a digital download for with your membership. Not to mention, if you're at the $15 level and higher, you get Patreon mail and you get resources, and there's an archive of lots of other content that is hours and hours and hours of videos that you can watch. Okay, so this is these are if I could talk, y'all. I'm a little under the weather, so forgive me if I a little stammer a little bit here. These are great. I love these. I made multiple copies of these because I love them so much. So let's go over them really fast again. And if you want to just purchase these, there is a purchase link in the Patreon shop, so you can come and join for free, and you can download these and purchase these in the Patreon shop. I have them listed along with some other digitals over there as well. You just pay the price or whatever, and you can download them. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna put these in Etsy yet. I will see. I'll see how they do. Etsy's a whole nother thing. You know, you got to go through a whole nother thing to try to upload them over there. But right now, they are available for purchase in my Patreon shop. Okay. All right. So let's go through them. I'm not going in the order that they're listed, but these are the 10 pages. Okay. So let's go with these really quickly. These are 8.5 by 11. They're absolutely beautiful. Mixed media, kind of mixed media ish. Mud cloth backgrounds. These are printed on copy, just regular copy paper. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I just love them. They're so gorgeous. Okay. Just beautiful. Just give you a brief overview of these. They're going to look so good in the journal that we're creating over there. There's going to be multiple videos in creating this journal from scratch. Okay. I should show you how to literally make the journal from scratch. Okay. So, yeah. And then we're going to have some companion videos as well, doing some other things, creating some other things for the journal. So, there are going to be several videos for the series. Okay. So you feel like you're getting your money's worth. Now this actually could be like a journal itself, right? Like a little small journal. I thought that was cool. You can just kind of fold it in half and have your little journal there like that. So I thought that was really cool. Okay, that's one of the prints. All right, very pretty. Okay, this is the month of February, Black History Month. Happy Black History Month. So yeah, I thought this would be fitting for the month. Okay. And then if we go past February, I will just keep going until I'm done with the series, and then we'll move on to something else because I have another workshop coming after that. Okay. So you definitely want to come over and check it out. All right. So here's this. And then here's the last one. Absolutely gorgeous. These are part of the membership. Okay. I definitely try to add value to the memberships. Now I'm going to show you these. This is another 10 pack. This is a bonus pack, y'all. So you get 20 digitals for the month of February. 20. These are masks, African masks, absolutely beautiful. These will also be available for purchase in the Patreon shop. Okay. So if you're not a member, a paid member, you can actually come in and just buy the downloads if you want to. Okay. So these are the masks, absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go through them pretty quickly here. These are what my members get for free, as well as part of the membership, amongst other things. Alrighty, so yeah, these are gorgeous. Look at that, so cool. I already cut up a page of these, and I'm gonna put them in my journal. So cute. Okay, be so beautiful. So all of these are so beautiful. All right, some people might say they're a little scary, but I don't think so. Like this one's so cool looking. Looks like something out of a movie, doesn't it? So cool. Okay, this one's really cool. All right, so this is another page, a 10-page pack. So you get 20 pages of digital art downloads, y'all, as a part of your membership. So not too many people have that as a part of their membership. All right. And so look at these, are gorgeous. And then these. Okay, so pretty. So pretty. All right. So we have that. So that's what the members are getting for the month of February. All right. Those are the digitals for February. Now let me show you let me show you the papers that we're using for the journal. Okay. So we are going to be using this collection mostly, obviously with the digitals of our scraps and other things that we have, our fabrics and so on and so forth. But I did recommend to the patrons to grab this collection. It's by Stampier. It's called Savannah. Now, this is an old collection, so it's hard to find these pieces now. But Amazon still has like 4 or 5 pieces of the collection left. And I'm sure if you did a huge search like on Etsy or eBay or something, you'd probably be able to find the whole collection. But you know, I figure it's so old that I think it came out in 2022. I think that's when I got it. So it's hard to find these, but Amazon still has a few pieces left. Now, this is listed in my Amazon storefront, which will be listed down below. So if you want to grab this collection and come over and take the class, you can. This is actually at a good price. Well, at the time that I purchased it, I don't know what it is now. You can take a look, but I have everything listed, all the different products listed in my Amazon storefront. So you can grab that out of the storefront. I do get a small commission from that, like very, very small, a few pennies here or there. Okay, so I grabbed this is the scrap, and there's a lot of cut aparts in here. A lot of cut aparts here. This is a beautiful collection. I actually go through this collection in one of the videos on my Patreon, and I share about how we can utilize it and all of that sort of thing. I go really in depth with that. Okay, and then you can grab this one. This is the background papers. I love the background papers. Very, very nice. Okay, so we love that. Gorgeous papers. I should have got 2 of these, but this was a little bit more expensive than this one. I love these background papers. So I figure between these two collections, some of the other stuff we have, and then our 2 packs of digitals, we should be set. We should be good to go when creating in our journal. So this journal is going to be so beautiful when we're done, y'all. I don't even want to show you too much because you got to come over there and see how we created it. Okay. Um, this is one of my charms that I made for it. It's my charm. It's so beautiful. All right. I may do a video on this. I think I've done a video on how to create this, but I probably will may do like a little short video on like book journal charms, journal jewelry, things like that, specifically for the journal. All right, I got one of my little clips in here that I made. It's a video up on my YouTube for that, and then it's one of my little paper clips that I made. So everything I made from pretty much from scratch. The journal, the charm here, the clips, everything. Okay, so this is going to be a fun series that we're working on over there. Now, before I go, I want to show you the January. Hold on. I want to show you the January digitals. Okay. So just in case you're wondering, well, why should I pay for it? Because it's fabulous and you get a lot for your money. So this is a 18-page pack of digitals from January. These are what we use for our vision board journal. Okay. Now we didn't do we only did a couple of videos on this, but it's something we're going to work on throughout the year. Right. So that's why I wanted an 18-page pack because I thought, well, okay, doing multiple videos on certain things can get a little bit redundant. So we did a few videos and then we're going to, take a break, take the African class, do another class after that, and then we'll get back to this periodically. I would like to jump into this journal at least once a month if possible, do a little quick spread or something. But let me show you the digitals that came with this. These are going to be for purchase as well over in the Patreon shop. I have to upload them, so maybe by the time you see this video, they should be uploaded over there. So let's go over them really quickly. This 18-page pack for the Vision Board Journal. Okay, so that's one. See, it's very colorful and just beautifully done. I wanted something very vibrant but cool, something we could still, work on. See, we can cut those little words out and still very vibrant. And we used a lot of other paper collections, and we use stuff from the paper book, the thick book. We use papers from that, and we used a lot of other fun things in creating a couple of journal layouts. You guys should check it out. You ladies and gentlemen, I should say, check it out. See, this is cool. It also fits on 8.5 by 11 paper. This is an 18-page pack. Really cool. Right. And then there's still digitals. Once you become a member, you can download all the digital since like August. So that's a lot of digital art that you can download. All right. A lot. Right. So most people, when you get sign up for their Patreons. They don't usually give you a whole lot, but I try to bring a lot of value to what I do. That this is one of my favorites. I printed up a couple of these. I like all of these, but I like the real vibrant ones. Like, see, like it says thrive, shine, and be divine. I love that. So that'd be great for your vision board journal. All right. You can come over and check it out, see how we started that process. And you can jump in at any time. So I thought this would be cool. That'd be a cute little, like, fun little journal cover, right? I thought so. All right. So that's that one. And then I love this one too. So vibrant and beautiful. I wanted to be happy. I like this is I can and I will. This says I am worthy. I am resilient. So I thought that was really nice. I am successful. I am fabulous. Right. So I'm strong or worthy. So I didn't do it on all of them, but enough of them to where we could use them in our journal. Okay. Like I love these. This is so pretty. I believe I can see it. There's all the different sentiments on here. You just cut these out and put them in your journal. Okay. This is really cool and vibrant. And then this is the last piece. I wanted this piece to be a little bit, not so bright so we can kind of layer this. We do a lot of layering in our journals over there. We create all kinds of accessories and things to go with the journals. For each theme journal we have, we create all kinds of fun accessories and all kinds of stuff to go over in our journals and on our projects over there. Okay. So again, this is a part of the membership. These pages. So if you want to become a member, come on over there. I will list everything. I will list the Patreon page down below, and you can come over there and check it out. Join for free. Maybe join for a month, see if you like it. See if it's worth it, and come check it out. All right. I just want to share that with you. I thank you for watching. I hope to see you over there, and I will catch you in the next video. Ciao.